Hey, buddy.
Juju. Juju.
What's he do here?
Juju.
Juju? What does he do here? Does he live here?
Yes.
What's his purpose? What does he do?
Yes. Other monkey go.
Yeah?
Yes.
Does he clean?
Yeah.
What does he clean? Pulls weeds out?
Yes, it is.
He pulls weeds and eats them.
Yes. Banana.
So he's a work monkey.
Yes.
Get out of here.
Langur.
Huh? Can I touch him?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, good boy. So he lives here, huh?
Hmm.
He wants his belly scratched. Good boy. Oh, is he mad? Hey there, sir.
That's Martin.
Look at him. I think he wants.
Why don't you hold his hand and I'll take a photograph?
How come he's showing his teeth?
Because he
He's
thinks he
smiling.
should be biting you.
Uh-oh, he's playing with something there. I think he has other ideas.